Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for November 6 to 12, 2023. General reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. And pa-follow like rin na aking Facebook and TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee shop. Available ang mga protection and prosperity bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. At ito ang Aquarius bracelet na nag-a-align sa energies ng mga Aquarius. Meron tong Larvicite, Sodalite, at Blue Apatite. So, ito ay available sa aking Shopee. Link on the description if you want to order. Okay, Aquarius, let us see your energies for this week. Aquarius, what is up? Your hard work is paying off, Aquarius. Yes, lahat ng mga ineffortan mo, trinabaho mo, makikita mo na ang resulta niyan ngayong week na to. It is worth it. Lalo na yung ang sisipag, no? Kapag may tiyaga, may nilaga. Ayan. Bring love into this situation. So, maaring iba sa inyo, masyadong puro isip, puro ang tawag dito, logical, puro logic, analytical. So there are times na kailangan mo talagang samahan ng puso, ng emosyon. Oo, new moon in Aquarius. And this is also about yung concern or care mo sa isang situation na meron ka ngayon, like yung career mo, yung business mo, or yung relationship mo. Oo. Importante daw na andun talaga yung pagmamahal sa mga bagay na ginagawa mo. It's not just about the benefits that you are going to get from it, no? Hindi lang yung mga benepisyo na yan, privileges, but also what you are passionate about. Work through your feelings. So, yung iba sa inyo, Aquarius, nahihirapan na mag-express ng emotions ninyo, ng totoong nararamdaman nyo. Minsan, dinidismiss nyo, yung tipong hindi nyo pinapansin. Kailangan na i-acknowledge nyo yan and allow yourself to feel that feeling, whether it is a positive or a negative feeling. Pag malungkot ka, then be sad. Alam mo yon, acknowledge mo na, ako ay sad. And then what now? Diba? Ano na yung gagawin mo? And do things that will make you feel better, will make you feel happy. Kapag naman masaya ka, go out, celebrate, have fun. Diba? So, let us see what else. And of course, you also have this control over your feelings na wag mo ring hayaan na pangunahan ka ng too much emotions. Na hindi ka na nakapag-isip masyado ng action mo dahil nauna na yung emosyon. Ace of Pentacles, there's a new opportunity for money, career, business for you. It's like planting a seed. Yung iba sa inyo nagsisimula pa lang kayo sa trabaho, sa isang proyekto or negosyo. And there's a big potential dito, no, na mas mag-grow yan. Kasi kumbaga may mga may mga ugat na siya. So, hahanap ka na lang ng lupa na kung saan yung lupa na yon ay mataba. No? Yung lupa na yon ay malusog. Na pag tinanim mo yung iyong punla, ito ay mag-grow. Diba? You have the Four of Pentacles. Some of you, Aquarius, are going to focus on saving your money. No? Mas mag-iipon kayo ngayon. And hindi kayo masyadong gagastos. Maaring ang focus nyo ngayon is mag-generate ng income. Kesa sa maglabas ng pera. So for you, kung maglalabas man kayo ng pera, it's more on investment. Para sa family, because I feel like you have a lot of dreams for your family. Marami kang gustong ma-achieve for your family. You have a lot of plans. And I think mas marami kang oras at panahon ngayon sa family mo, sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. You also have the Knight of Wands. This is also having fun. So, ngayong week na to, hindi lang ibang tao yung iisipin mo, pati sarili mo. You will also explore and have fun, ganon. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng creativity ninyo to. Pwedeng you are also going to explore other interests, yung mga bagay na interesado kang i-explore about yourself, no? Na pwede mong gawin, kaya mong gawin. You also have the moon, no? Ayan, yung iba sa inyo, sometimes you become too emotional, lalo na kapag, full moon. So, it's also time for you to acknowledge your feelings, okay? Para hindi kayo, minsan kasi kapag dinidismiss natin yung nararamdaman natin, akala natin, hindi tayo naapektuhan, but actually, meron tayong dinidelay na emotion na kapag na-trigger, biglang sumasabog, 'di ba? So, nire-repress yung emotions. I think you are going to be more expressive of your feelings. See, you have the King of Cups energy. Iba sa inyo, marami kayong water sign sa inyong natal chart, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. And I feel like, yung iba sa inyo, merong romantic connection, someone is very caring, someone who is very loving sa inyo, and very protective rin tong person na to sa inyo. Yung mga in a relationship dyan. Sa love, ano pa? Codependency and effort. There's some sort of, parang medyo strict na energy pagdating sa relationship. Pwedeng merong person sa buhay mo romantically na gusto niya mag-depend ka sa kanya or umasa ka sa kanya para madali ka niyang ma-manipulate. Oo. So, be careful. Or, pwede rin namang yung iba sa inyo nasa isang relationship na merong some sort of addiction or unhealthy habits na you are trying to work it out or inaayos nyo together. So, kailangan, kayo dyan? Pareho kayo ng, goal sa buhay na lalo na kung gusto mong tulungan yung partner mo na makaalis na sa unhealthy habit na yan sa kanyang any form of addiction. You also have the law and order sa iyong money, career, finances. So, meron kang mga ayusing documentations. Ayan na ang reward. O, diba? Ito yung kaninang lumabas. Your hard work is paying off, Aquarius. Rewards are coming, no? Kung ano man tong mga trinabaho mo, ineffortan mo, huwag ka mag-alala kasi, yan, it will be rewarded very, very soon. Okay? You will get something from it. Oo. And, yung iba sa inyo, nakakuha kayo ng attention sa community ninyo. Mas nagiging famous kayo. So, rewarding for you lahat ng mga efforts ninyo sa career, finances, or business. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayo updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aquarius. See you again.